back once again here. I'm so excited. Welcome back to the Abe Gabe channel.
Yes, another episode of an Abe Gabe channel at YouTube.
Thank you for subscribing to our channel, and right here on this episode, I'm so excited because I got my younger brother here.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Because I'm taller. I'm the older brother, but it's my dad, and it's Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody.
And we're gonna cook for you today. It's gonna be called seafood kare kare. Yeah, it's not
like
the
curry, like Indian curry.
Yeah, it actually started with the Indian. It doesn't. People doesn't realize that the British came over to the Philippines first before the Spanish came. So so then a lot of Indians, soldiers in the British military didn't go back to India. So they stayed in there, and a lot of them, in India, it's called what do you call that thing? Kare.
Curry with the C.
Yeah,
like,
with the C.
It's like Stephen Curry, like.
Yeah, just like yeah. They didn't win this year. Anyway,
but it's with a K, right? It's
with a K.
K-A-R-E.
Yeah.
Kare Kare.
Actually, it's a food that invented in the Philippines. So now it's becoming popular for a lot of people that want to eat kare kare. It's an original Filipino dish. So we will show you how it's done. Okay? So again, thank you for subscribing with the Abe Gabe channel, and make sure you click that subscribe
right there.
That's right there. So yeah, let's go. I'll introduce you to what kind of recipe it uses, and of course this is a seafood. Okay, so
seafood.
Yeah, the main ingredients is this one right here. Yeah,
seafood.
So instead of buying the whole thing, by itself, it's a package. You can buy this there you go. So I'm just gonna read you what's in there. It's called cooked mussel, cooked whole clams, monkish portion, blue crabs, squid tentacles, and scallop. And also we're gonna add a little bit more about here you go. Shrimp. See, this is shrimp.
Oh,
so we're gonna put that also. So we're gonna show you what kind of ingredient we use, how to cook it. Yeah.
Let me see that.
Yeah.
It's not.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna show you the ingredients that we use. This is it's a garlic. So take that out, and of course you kind of cut it a little bit. There you go. So do that. We'll put it here. We'll use that later on. Oops. Kind of messy. But again, just want to tell you that we're not a chef, but we like cooking. So we're going to introduce you how to do this, because it's one of our favorite Filipino dish. Then on the ingredients that we use, we also use, of course, organic oil. Yes. And black pepper. Of course, this is the most important one, a crunchy peanut butter. This is the most important thing about kare kare. And salted shrimp. And a little bit of salt. So those are the ingredients that we use, but if you don't want to do all these things, you can buy a ready-made kare kare thing in any Asian market, like Seafood City, Island Pacific, and 99 Ranch Market. Okay, that's the one. If you don't want to do all these things, this is the fastest one to do this. But of course, we want to do this because it's fun doing it. Okay, so let me cut this. This is on the vegetable. we use called a banana heart. Before it become banana that you buy in the store, it looks like this. So we'll cut this. We'll take out the one in the middle, because really it's so hard to cook this. I mean, it take a longer time to cook it if you don't take this thing out. So take that out. Just put that thing in there. Cut it.
So there's a stem in there?
Yes. So we'll put this aside. And we'll use that later on. There you go. Another one, of course, onions. Very important, because so it becomes sweet. Oh, I hate this. You know why? Because I start crying. Do you know what they say about, doing this, the onion? You're killing them, but you'll still start crying at the same time. Ooh, yeah. So, what we're gonna do, put this thing in the side again. Oh, I really start crying in this one. Okay, another vegetable that we use, of course, the eggplant. So we'll cut this way. And so we're gonna use two of them. Go. So we're gonna put this in there, and we already have the string beans also, which is already it's been, I worked it out a while ago, and so I think we got too much, but that's what it is. So that's the main vegetable that we use, and also you have to have a PECHAY. Just going back in here is a PECHAY. And this PECHAY is actually my own creation from hydroponic planting. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this. We're not gonna use everything on it. So I'm gonna cut it. So how healthy they are. Yeah, this is from my own garden. We're gonna show you this also, how to grow later on in another episode of this, another blog that we have. So clean this up. Of course, you always clean it. Put this aside. There you go. Wash it again. Or you can buy, it's called PECHAY. Get it from the market again. But I'm not gonna use this today because I have this special thing I'm gonna use, which is I actually planted it myself. So just in case you don't want to use a PECHAY, it's called PECHAY also. You can buy this in an Asian food store also, market. So another ingredient that we use to just put a coloring on it. It's called anito or aswiti in the Philippines. You can buy this again in the Filipino stores. So we're gonna put it this way. Just for the coloring. Pour water on. So this is the añeto that we use a while ago. So what we're gonna do is to mix it up. It's just for the coloring. Okay, now so we got everything in here. The vegetable that we're gonna be using. So we're gonna start cooking. So get back in here. Oh, another one that I use is actually a rice. So it will become more stickier when we use it. So we'll boil it from here, just like what we call a soup. It becomes soup. So I'll show you what happened. So this one I boiled a while ago, so that's the way it's gonna look like. So it's not like cooking a rice that's really kind of sticky, but this one like you can also make something like this, like an arroz caldo. We call it arroz caldo in the Philippines. So that's the one right there. So we're gonna put this thing on the side and start cooking. So what we're gonna do now is to cook the seafood. So I'm gonna open this. Wow, look at that. So if you can see, you get the crabs in here right now. You have the squid, I think. that. Then you have the mussel. You have the scallop, clams. So we'll wash this a little bit. Wash it twice. And we're gonna add some shrimp. Watch this. Oh, after this, we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna eat a lot today. Oops. So now, go back here. We're gonna cook it. We use this organic extra virgin olive oil. It's a healthy one. Warm it up a little bit. So now we're gonna put the seafood here.
So how do you know when the seafood is cooked?
You're gonna turn, just like the one's gonna turn red. So we're gonna put some ingredients here. Put the garlic. I should have put the garlic first.
Can you smell it?
Yeah.
It smells like seafood.
So you put some garlic and you put some butter and
Yeah, the oil.
the oil.
And of course, I'm gonna put this onion also. Yes. Put a little bit of salt. Not too much. About 5 minutes, then we'll open it up. Maybe 5 or 10 minutes when it's cooked. Now it's already cooked. What I'm gonna do, move this a little bit. Okay, lower down the simmer it a little bit, and we'll cook the vegetables. Put a little oil. Pour water. Put a sweetie for coloring. Wait until start boiling, so we'll wait for that. Then we'll put some more. Then we'll start putting the ingredients on it. Now it start boiling, so I'm gonna put the banana heart first, because it's a little take longer to cook this. Yeah, after I put the banana heart for about 3 minutes, I'm gonna put the rice that I boil. That'll become you know, it's not a sticky rice, but it's called a little bit more watery. So I'm gonna put it in. It's actually sometimes we call this arroz caldo. Then rice soup. It just helps become a little stickier. And of course, the main ingredient, peanut butter, with a crunchy peanut butter. Make sure when you eat this that you're not allergic to peanuts. Because I know some people are allergic to peanuts. So. Turn it down. So there you go. We have the peanuts in there. Now it become kare kare. Now we're gonna put our beans. We're gonna put our eggplant. I took this from when we cook the seafood. It's extra extra one that I took out from the, you know. To add more flavor. So we'll cook this for another 5 minutes, and we'll come back and put the rest of the PECHAY, and then we'll mix them. Then you have seafood kare kare. Another ingredient that we're gonna put in is this salted shrimp.
What do you call it in Filipino?
This is
Bagoong.
bagoong, but the shrimp.
Bagoong.
So we're not gonna put too much.
And if you ever saw the movie The Flip Side, this is the man who said the 6-pack of bagoong.
Why don't you buy a 6-pack of bagoong? And the last vegetable that we're gonna put in is from my garden. It's PECHAY. I think we'll cut this a little bit. Now we're ready with the seafood. You're gonna mix it in. Now we have a seafood kare kare. 5 more minutes and we're ready to eat it. So, look at this. Yeah. Oh, it smells good.
There it is.
Yes. So that's the finished product. So we're gonna taste it. Mmm. You're gonna try this.
Shrimp.
So you can do anything with the recipe. You know, we're gonna put the recipe on, but you can make your own. So don't be afraid. Just do this. Again, we're not the chef, but we like to experiment on something. So this is the way we came up with a seafood kare kare. Till next time, make sure you subscribe on our YouTube channel. Of course, we're gonna be cooking some more. Okay, we're gonna be doing an entertainment, foods, anything that we think it's good for you, it's good for us to entertain you guys. You got it? Subscribe, like, and share. Gracias, thank you. Tumadatse, whatever you're gonna say. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Nembangaal daw you. Merry Christmas to you all. Gabe, you like it?
It's what you call in Tagalog and Filipino, masarap.
Yes, yes.
It tastes so good.
It's not only oxtail that you can make, but there's a seafood. I think it's a lot healthier because an oxtail and tribes took you a long time to cook it. But this one is so quick, it's easy to do it. You can do your own, you can experiment your own, but happy eating. Got it? Thank you.
Peace.